yung amoy ng kana napunta doon sa cookie. Galing from this one, yung kana. Okay, boys, let's do our first impressions on Prime Monkey's Kushiris Happy Cookie. And there's actually this cool card that comes with the fragrance. Lagay natin yan sa likod ng phone natin. So here's the fragrance. Let me just show it to you guys. And ang ganda! Look at that metal plate. Oh my god. So, I'll be honest, hindi ko pa siya try. I've never tried this one. So, this first impressions na video natin is literally raw. So, subject to change yung sasabi ko here, but I haven't tried pa to. So, it's literally my first impressions. See? Wala pang sprays. Okay, so it opens up quite warm and kind of lactonic. So, it has like this parang cookie or chocolate na milk na vibe. Meron siya yung parang freshly baked na cookie or like parang baked na dough na. I don't know if that makes sense. Yung parang kalalagay mo yung dough doon sa oven. And it's on top of it, it has like milk. Then it has like a very nutty nuance on top of it. It slowly transitions a bit. Pero hindi mo pa makukuha yung parang kana na accord. So I have here is the real kana na accord. So I have a reference. Pero in the opening, it smells very warm, but not necessarily spicy. It's very warm, lactonic, quite nutty. It smells like parang bagong nilagay na dough or parang bread sa oven. So yun ang opening niya. Okay, so as it transitions to the mid, so it's starting to dry down now, you will notice na parang mawawala na a bit yung parang opening niya. And it transitions to this, parang baked na siya na cookie. So parang yung ini-interpret ng fragrance na to is parang how a cookie is being baked, is being served. Yun ang interpretation ko lang kasi yung opening niya para siyang bago lang na milk. Alam niyo parang bagong bukas na milk lagay sa dough. Tapos here sa mids, parang kakatapos na naluto yung cookie. Kasi wala na yung parang warm facets that I get from the opening. It's more of in the background na. The fragrance becomes incredibly nutty din. How could I explain this? Parang nutty siya. I don't know, parang meron siyang chest na, parang dun sa Scandal na line from JPG, yung parang nuttiness. And mawawala yung parang warm feeling and I get like some underneath smoky facets. So, I think what it's trying to portray here is parang kakatapos na mabake yung fragrance. Kasi sa umuna yung preparation, yung pagkalagay, yung parang bread or dough sa oven. Pero here parang natapos na siya. Then you will get parang this green nuance na will cut through the fragrance and assume na galing from this one, yung kana. Meron siyang parang green. Parang on top of the cookie, meron siyang parang kana. That's how I portray it. Kasi from look at the card. Parang kung yung portray niya eh. So sa mid, it smells like kakaluto na yung cookie. Tapos meron yung nuttiness. And also get the kana to give it some green nuance. Which smells amazing. Parang nasa on top yung kana. I don't know if parang nasa top shop. Kasi pag inamoy ko to, it smells like yung burnt na kana, yung parang smoke na galing sa kana, not necessarily the real kana itself. So yun ang parang pinoportray ko, yung parang yung amoy ng kana na punta doon sa cookie. So that's how I portray yung happy cookie ni Prime Monkey. So yeah. So I'm gonna let it dry down a bit and let's see if meron siyang changes. Okay, so in the dry down, hindi ko na masyado nakuha yung kana, pero still noticeable pa din. But it becomes somewhat more sweeter in sense, like slightly more sweeter siya. And you will get like this soft, creamy sandalwood na feeling. Parang creamy sandalwood na feeling. Tapos, meron din siyang some sort of vanilla. What I'm portraying here, parang dinip yung happy cookie sa milk. So, ayun, that is my first impression sa happy cookie from Prime Monkey. So, what my thought on it? What would I rate this fragrance out of 10? I would rate it a 9 out of 10. I really love cookie fragrances or even milk fragrances. I really like fragrances na amoy siyang gourmand in a way. So, yeah, I like this one. I like the presentation. I like everything. Shit, it looks and feel nice. Wait, black green gradient pala siya. Hindi ko siya napansin. It looks so cool. You see that, guys? Oh my god, it looks so cool. So, yeah. Sir Vin, I absolutely love this one. Worth it yung pera ko ito. Literally. So, ayun. That is my first impressions on Happy Cookie with Prime Monkeys. On our next video, we will do Valor for 20 next.